So keep it for recording. Whoever joins late, they can check it. I'll just ping them. This is, yeah, good. Keep it for recording because whomsoever joins late, they can check it. Okay, right. So today I will tell you about Jenkins installation and all. It is there in the this one in your things, your Jenkins objectives. It is there. We'll check if any error comes or error will not come. Mostly I will try my level best. See what is Jenkins object linkage with the JIT, linkage with the JIT. Okay, freestyle project and pipeline. Okay, Jenkins doc. Okay, SLN file you should be able to any SLN file, .NET SLN file you should be able to show it. Dot here edit, enable editing. So here this S this SLN file you should be able to run using Jenkins and all. Okay, so Jenkins is a tool where I can build, test and deploy the application, and I can see the output without installing without installing the softwares of that particular technology. Okay, so let first installation also we have to show. So let us go with the installation part, right? So okay, let me start because people maybe they may join late. Let me start. Right, recording is going on, no problem. So here docs.google.com. Okay, some notes I have been preparing for this one. We'll go from first. So Jenkins is a self-contained open source automation server. Okay, Jenkins is prepared by Java. Okay, it's prepared using Java. Okay, then this automation tool Jenkins means what is prepared by Java, and it is mostly supporting Java products, plugins we call it as. Okay, if some plugins are not available related to .NET. Okay, so then what you have to do, you have to add those plugin and work with the .NET application. Okay, so now the thing is that why they have introduced this one, I don't know. Okay, for the .NET separate tool is there means it will be nice. Okay, because .NET people should have their own tool. I don't know, they are using this one Java related tool. Okay, so let me first install Jenkins. Okay, first you go to this website. Go to website jenkins.io. Okay, here jenkins.io website you go. So you will get like this. Okay, then afterwards what you have to do, go to the download button. Okay, go into the download button. This installation is also there. I have to show that is there. That's what I'm showing. So here I cannot say I have installed like this because that is like that only, because okay. So go to the download option. So in the download option we get some option. This is a stable version. Okay, this is something the versions are there. Okay, so I have to install the .var package I have to install. Okay, for Windows also separately is there. This is what generic. This is the generic Jenkins var package is there. Okay, var package, this you have to install it by clicking the this one. So I clicked this one. So it is getting installed. How many MB? This is 90.5 MB. but I am stopping this one, okay, because already I have installed it here, okay. In C drive I have installed it. In downloads it is there already. Where it is here, I think so. 92 MB Jenkins file is there already. .war file is there already. So that's what I am not installing it. You install it like that, okay. Then next what you have to do, let's go to the notes. As per the notes, you have to click this war file and it will be installed, okay. Go to the location of .war file, okay. From command prompt type the following things, okay. You have to type this one, okay. Open in as an administrator mode, okay. Open as an administrator mode. That whatever is there in the jar file na, I have to start that jar file, okay. First go to the command prompt cmd, mm, and open as an administrator, okay. Wait, I will open as an administrator because any problem should not come. So right click here, run as an administrator. First check what is the Java software you have to install, okay. Java JDK you have to install. You can check it in internet how to install Java hyphen version. Which version is there with me? So I'm having some version. I'm having 1.8 8 version, JDK 1.8 version is there. Then also you need to check little bit as per your laptop compatibility issues. Which Jenkins compatible Java version you can check it. So minimum 8 is required, I think so. So I have taken 8 here, okay. After this you have to write one command. What command you have to write? From that folder, I have to download na. So I am going to that folder, cd downloads, so cd, I will go to the path where my folder jenkins.var file is there na. In the downloads I will go there. Downloads I will go. In the downloads, here it is, the file is there, okay. So this file totally downloaded na. I take the properties here, and this is the property. Take the path here and copy the path here. So from here you have to write the command. What your command you have to write? Java hyphen jar, okay. Folder name is jenkins .war file, okay. That you have to extract it, and right now in SQL server is running for me in port 880. I can use 880 also, but I want to change my port. I want to change my port, okay. For that purpose what I will use, some port I will use, some porting, another port I will use it here, jenkins hyphen jar jenkins.var, yeah, like this only you have to write. HTTP P capital again, check, don't HTTP P capital again, port is equal to 9191 I have to write, okay. Anything else I have to write? That's all. So just say enter. So what it will do, it will extract all the things and it will install some plugins, it will install, okay. Jenkins will install some plugins. So this command prompt is there now, which is running. It should be always on. If you close this command prompt, you cannot log in into the local server of Jenkins, which is HTTP localhost 9191 port, which I have given, okay. So it has installed, okay. It has installed. Where it has installed? In some folder it is, so here is the folder, C users Windows 10 Jenkins, C users Windows 10 Jenkins. Here it has extracted all the things. So C users Windows 10, C C users Windows 10. Here Jenkins Jenkins folder is created, and here some plugins are installed. Node, some plugins are installed. Not there, okay. But it is still running, what? Okay, it is still running. Wait, I should get one message here. What message? Okay. So this message I should get. Jenkins is fully up and it is running. That message I should get it. Okay. Okay, fine. And as an administrator, it will give you one this thing. It will give you the some keyword. It will keyword. It will give you that keyword will be stored here in some folder. In some folder, it will be stored. Okay. Here in this folder, it will be stored. That keyword will be there. Initial admin password will be there. This admin password you have to give. Okay. This is my password. Okay, so it is telling that Jenkins is fully up and running. It is telling. Okay, you should not close this command prompt. It should be running. Then only you can log in. Okay, so what is I done this one? Hope many things notes. What no? Just let me check anything. Okay, right now this much is there. Okay, next thing is what? Let us go. Yeah, step by step, just going. You have installed. Then let me reduce this one. So same thing is coming. It is showing Jenkins is fully up and running. Okay. Now what you have to do? Now go to the browser and say localhost. Go to the browser and say localhost. So I will use this one or this one. I will use this one better. This I have installed the path here. So which one shall I take? Let me take from the this. Let me take this browser better. Open. So here what I will do? HTTP colon localhost you have to say and /9191 you have to say enter. Resource local has been removed, has been temporarily enabled. Okay, wait. HTTP colon localhost 9191. Now it will come. Colon I forgotten, I think so. So it will come like this. So it will ask me, you have to, as your admin, first unlock password, you write it and unlock yourself, it will tell me. So from here, this command prompt don't close. If you close, nothing you will get. So this command prompt don't close. So take this one. It should be always running. You are not online, from local only. This is local server I am using. So where I am, man? I am here. So here you put the password and say continue. So it will ask you, do you want to, plugins are still not installed. Now I am going to install plugins. It will ask you. You can choose any plugin. So just I will go here and I will check select plugins. Okay. So these are the default plugins which are available. Okay. Some more if you want to add the plugins, you can add it if you want. So being things kept as default, I will say install. So it will install some plugins. You have to wait for a little bit. Okay. It will install plugins. Okay. And don't close this command prompt. It's important. Command prompt is important. Downloading SSHD. Okay. Like this. So just wait for the 1 minute. No other option. You have to wait. How many people have come? I'm also recording because I want it for some other batch also, because suddenly they will change the content. This topic we should not teach in some other batch, some other topic they will tell. So it is and all it is installing. Okay, like this it's installing. Git it is installing. GitLab is not installed. Suppose I want GitLab plugin, you can go for GitLab plugin. If you want suppose like MS build plugin, you will get you can go for MS build plugin like that. Online also many videos are available. But mostly from testing point of view, testers are keeping the videos. Developers are not keeping much videos on this Jenkins. And in the testers, when they are keeping, they are giving the project which have Selenium and all. And we don't have to do anything with that one. And accordingly, related things downloading and what that latest version, now version, plugins will change and lot of these things will come. You have to wait. Just wait. Why I'm installing means here yesterday some sellers came. That's why I uninstalled this one. And anyhow, it is there in the portion to tell. Errors means not errors. If you do experiment, simply to wait. It was some. It will not take much time. Okay. So what is the next step? Just we will check it in the notes here. So you will do like this. Then it will keep on installing. Next, admin password, username you have to give. Some username, password, confirm password. Then full name, some name you have to give, and email address you have to give. So this server is running. Let it run. And where is this things are happening? Here it is happening, right? So some that lab exercise also just I will give you. I think you don't having exam now. I think so. Lab exercise also just upload it in Telegram. You can check it. Your next target is designing the React interface for your HLD design. Okay. Combinedly work. Design the interface. Keep the interface ready. Don't be in a hurry. Oh, it's not installing fast. Okay, like that. Don't do. Let us be slow. No problem. We have time. Another 2 weeks time we have. In that 2 weeks time, everything you have to finish. June 13th is your last date, na? So yeah. Then again after this class, again I will upload few videos. You just check it for extra reference and all. That's all. Okay, it is getting installed. This is version Jenkins 2.2 down, it is showing. Jenkins 2.3 it is showing. I'm using hotspot now, that's why it's taking time. It will be finished later. If I check all the options, it will take long time. That's why default some few options I have checked. Five minutes it took, I think so. 5 minutes, it is taking 5 minutes. Let it be, no problem. So after installing this one, suppose you have closed and the next time again you are starting, again you have to run this command only. Which command? Every time you have to run this command. Java, this one command you have to run. Here that command has gone. This command you have to type again. If you want to change the port, you can change the port. If you don't write any port number, 880 will come. Okay. What is happening? In this folder, Jenkins folder, plugins are installed. See, plugins are installed here. All plugins are installed. Okay, then The jobs, still jobs are not created. Nodes, okay. Node means what? This is my node, my computer node. Another person is there, means that also will be visible. Then here in the var file, I can see any project if I create na, that will be shown in the var file. Okay. Uh, yeah, it is taking a wait. Java JSON web token is there. Here. Come, not taking time. Very sure it is taking time. Wait. Hmm? Hmm. Hmm. Morning, good morning. Why it is taking so much time to start? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, oh. Okay. Sorry for the delay. Okay. So username. Let me write the username. So now it is okay. Now it will be done. Oh, sorry for the delay because I can't do because I have to go with that one. It is like that only. So so some username and password I will give for my this thing. So username. So I am giving Raghu Jenkin. I will give Raghu Jenkin. So password also Raghu Jenkin. Wait, Raghu Jenkin hash 123 I will give. Raghu Jenkin hash 123 I will give. Confirm password Raghu Jenkin hash 123 I will give. Then full name say Raghavendra. I will give. Then email address any Raghu 0708882. Any email ID you can give. Not required is a local only. The rate of gmail.com. So Raghu Jenkin, save and continue. Okay, this is your instance configuration. Okay, fine, I understood. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So it will be looking like this Jenkins. Okay. So in this Jenkins, here generally the what name he has asked, those things are there. So in this Jenkins, what will be having, if you want to create any job, you can create a job here by clicking the Jenkins. Okay, you can create a job here also. You can create a job. So in this Jenkins, what you have to see, first you have to go in the manage Jenkins. You have to go. So in the manage Jenkins, what and all things are there? Just check it. Configure systems is there. Global configuration tool is there. Okay, manage Jenkins is there. So configure system and what is there in the configure system? Okay. Configure system. We click it here. So it will tell me here in the home directory it is installed. Okay, some message if you want to give Jenkins running, you can some message on the everybody wants to see. Some message you want to see, you can give that message. Executors, generally two executors are there. Some more executors you want, you can add it using this node as much as possible. So this is the local host. These things are there. Few things, just scroll and check what and all things are there in this one. Okay, suppose if I am writing here and if I am saving here, so some message will be shown mostly here, Jenkins running. Okay, everybody can know some few things. Always keep on going, manage Jenkins and check what and all things are there. Here manage plugins, here plugins will be there. Suppose any plugin I want, updates. These are available plugins. You have to go what and all plugins are there. Some plugins are there. Git plugin is there. Okay. Bootstrap plugin is there. Some plugins are there like that. Okay, fine. Then installed plugins means what, which are installed. Okay, which are installed from here, like ant plugin is there. Okay, they are installed plugins, just now installed na, I think those plugins only, right? So plugins are there. This again, go to the dashboard. Okay, so what I told, manage Jenkins I told, and like this few things are there I am telling. Okay, configure, you can add users and all, these and all things are there, let it be. Now come to the dashboard here, and you can create one job here. Okay, new item you can create, or you can create one job here. New item, suppose I am writing here first job I am writing. Okay, what type of job? Say freestyle job I am writing. Select this one, say okay. First one two simple I will check, then I will go with the .NET application. So they're like this in this job. General these things are there, general features are there, like source code management right now I'm not giving for it. You want to build this job. Okay, this is general, this is source code management. Okay, means what, everything is here only. When you click, just you will go down there, that's all. To the build trigger you will go. Okay, build environment you will go. Okay, like this you will go, build you will go, like that you will be there. Post build actions, after building what and all things are there. So general, so I am just one sample message I want to write it first. Later on with the program I will want to tell and go it. What I have to say, build, I want to write some build Windows, using Windows batch I want to write some command. So suppose I want to write echo, this is first Jenkins code, and suppose I want to write here date also, colon, time also I want to write it. So this is first Jenkins code, and date, Windows batch command, date I can write, date I think I can write it. So something, okay, after writing something I told save. Okay, so my first job, where it is getting stored in the workspace, it will be stored some in the workspace. It is getting stored. Where is the Jenkins folder? In the var. The var, it will be stored. When I build, it will be stored, I think so. Okay, so here then you build this one, so it will build like this. Okay, and after building like this, one message, some you click here, then go to the console, and you can check now. This is it is giving, this is the first Jenkins code executed on this time, on at this time it is getting executed. I am telling some code I am telling. So suppose again I am going to the dashboard, another job I want to open. Okay, this another job I want to create. So here new item you create. Second job I want to do. Second job I am giving the name. Freestyle kind of project you select and say okay. So I want to run my job every minute, like that also I want to do. So what is this one? Freestyle you select, say okay. So again another project is getting open. Suppose another code I want to write it. Okay, so suppose again I am taking, say, Windows batch execution, and suppose every minute I want this code to be executed. I want to put a trigger also in this one. So echo, this is second job. Okay, so same thing, percentage date colon, then percentage time. Okay, put it in double quotation. This I want to, whatever you do after doing, just save it. This is second job. In the second job I will add .NET also. Wait, step by step I want to go. Second job, so did I, those things are created? First job is created here. Let me check here. Somewhere that first job will be created here. Refresh in the var file or where? here or somewhere else. In the workspace it will be created. I think first job it is created. So now second job I am writing. In the second job I am going go to the dashboard. This is the second job I am going. So in the second job I want to configure something. So you go in the again configure section. Same page will come. But I want to configure every 1 minute something I want to do it. Build a trigger you can select it. Build periodically you can select. And anything, any help you needed for anything, any help you have to press this question mark here. Okay, that will give a lot of information about each and everything. Okay, suppose this anything you press, it will give a lot of information about everything. So here if you are very good in this cron these things and all, okay, means what linux commands and all there, for that purpose I want to execute this code every this minute. So here you can, I can use hookup also. If a hookup triggers and all you can use it. So here schedule this also help how to write that code schedule. That also code will be there here. Okay, every minute you want to execute now, star should be specified after this one. Every minute I want to execute. See, 1 2 3 4 5 every 15 minutes, no, h every 15 minutes, every minute I want to execute 1 2 3 every minute means 5 I have to give, I think so. So here 5 I will give, star star wait, like this I will give schedule. And anything you are doing just save it. Okay, then automatically I will not do the build, should work automatically, I think so, or one time I have to execute it, then it will come. Wait, it is coming automatically, that code which I am writing now. Again after 1 minute again it will come. So you can provide periodically you can provide 1 hour 2 hours any code you want to run at that specific time. You want to build a test and do that, you can test it here like this. Again after 1 minute automatically another code will come, right? Now next is a .NET application, a SLN file, any .NET application I want to execute here in this this I want to execute. Means what? In this I want to execute. Wait. So I want to delete this one because every 1 minute it will trigger. So I want to delete this one because it will be keep on coming every 1 minute. It will come. I cannot wait. Let me go with some other topic. So here let me go to the dashboard again. See, again it has come second time. The task every minute it will go to the, click there, go to the console, and it's printing me the same thing. This is the second job, it is printing me. Okay, let it be, go to the dashboard. And I don't want this one, I want to delete this one because every minute I don't want. And disable project, I can disable project, I think so. I disable the project. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to create a .NET project, I want to create. Okay, so again dashboard, new item you see, and this give some name, sample .NET project, some name you give it. It's a freestyle of project I want to create, freestyle of project, say okay. So what is there, I want to execute .NET code. So if you want to execute .NET code, .NET plugins should be there. For him, if you see here, any plugins suppose build environment, if you go for JIT plugin is there. Okay, build environment, if you go here, right, post build environment, then here this build, let me check. Okay, so my .NET project I want to execute. Okay, in this job. I want to execute .NET project. So what I have to do? So in the source code management here, mm, there is no plugin for .NET. Okay, there is no for Maven. The plugin is there. Invoke top level Maven targets. That's what related to projects Java it is there. For .NET plugin is not there. So what I have to do? Okay, so first if you want to configure na, mm, right, Git plugin is there. Git plugin is there. Source code manager Git plugin is there. If I click here, Git is there. Git plugin is there. Okay, and how will I know that plugins are there or not? Dashboard you go. Okay, dashboard you go. Right now I'm not building that project still. Manage Jenkins you go, and here uh, you go to once a global configuration tool. Global configuration tool you go. In this one just check Git is there. Okay, then Maven is there. See, Maven plugin is there. Okay, but .NET plugin is not there. Okay, plugin means what? That build I want, just plugin I want, that I want. I don't want this thing. So plugin is not there for me. So what I have to do? I have to go here. Here manage plugins I have to go, and from the available plugins I have to add one plugin. What is that plugin? MS build plugin I have to add. It is there here down. This plugin I have to select this one. This plugin I want to add it. I want to install it. Install without restart. Install without restart. Click this button. So MS build plugin is getting added, I think so. Where it is adding? Installing I am doing. Down it is adding. Okay, it is adding. Okay, so it will add. It is adding success. So now what I will do? Again, manage Jenkins I will go, and in the manage plugins whether it is installed or not, let me check. MS build na. Why it is installed fastly means already I have uninstalled and kept na earlier. So MS na, MS build plugin na. Here it is there na. It is installed here. It's installed fastly. It will not install. This plugin is used to build Visual Studio project and SLN files. It is telling like that. Okay, fine. Slowly it will install because I have installed 2 or 3 times now. I just checked this one, so that's why. No, it's installing fastly. Actually, it will next what? Go to the dashboard again. Manage Jenkins you come, and now come to the global configuration tool. In the global configuration tool, just check that MS build plugin has come now. MS build plugin. This is a Maven plugin. So click this MS build plugin. Give some name to this plugin. Okay, so I'm giving MS build plugin. See, MS build plugin. So this MS build plugin should take the path from my software. If I told there, I clicked there, I installed the plugin na. If I am a Java person, Visual Studio is not there means it will install minimum things required for Visual Studio also it will install by checking in the laptop. Okay, but I am already .NET person, so I have that MS build installed. 2019 is installed with me. So what I will do? I will just give the path of my MS build. Where it is there here. Somewhere it is there. This path is there, no? This is my path, I think so. This here my MS build is there. Just I will show you. Hide all nodes. Here come by. Here just check it. Here MS build is there. Here, where it is MS build. Here MS build. Here it is MS build is there. Okay. If MS Build is not there, means what .NET is not there, it will install that Visual Studio. The screen will come. I am installing that also it will do. Okay, if it is not there, Visual Studio. Okay, right now it is there. It's checked. It's not doing. So this path, Control C and put it here. Where in this? Where man? In this path you put it. This is my path. He will go and install. He will from here this MS Build plugin. Plugin I installed. I didn't install Visual Studio. MS Build I didn't install. Plugin I installed. That plugin will check from here and like what is the name of the plugin I have given? MS Build plugin I have given. Okay. Add I have to do a add. Just say add and just say save. Plugins I have added and saved. Now if I go to the configure system, that plugin should be there, I think so here, or while writing the program that plugin should be there. Okay, I will now go to my program. I will go. Okay, I will go to my program dashboard, the program which is there, sample.net project. I will go there, and here again in this program configure I will click, and here what I will do, the source code manage. First I will first here that plugin is there or not, just I will check it there. So my Visual Studio plugin is there. Okay, that has come here. Okay, no problem. Now first what I want to do, any .NET project JIT, and the .NET project I will take, and that JIT value I will want to give it here. Okay, so the project is available here. One project is there, it is available here. Some project is there. That project path I will just copy. Okay, that project I have downloaded, and the project is here somewhere. It is there in the downloads project, fresh project. Okay, some project is there. In this project what is there, one console application he has created. In that console application what he has done, one normal program he has written, console application, and he has written a test case also. Okay, if it is matching then it will return true, those things he has written. Okay, see I can also upload in the just I am showing this, taking ready-made code. Just check this one. Hmm. Okay, so some program is there, normal console program. He has written hello world from the tips for you, some website, his website is there, and in the unit test case the same thing he is testing it here. Okay, hello world, this should expected should be result which in the console what you write. Okay, some program. Okay, let it be. So I close this application. That URL is there, that URL is there, na? That URL I will put it in the Jenkins. I will put it where this URL, this only na MS build URL code, copy, come here and paste that link here. Okay, it will show like this, and after pasting this one, just save. After saving, just say build, you do it. Means what, that his code which is there in the server, which is there in the GitHub, I am just running, and that code I am putting it, no errors are there right now till now. So click here and click here, error will come means red line will come. Okay, console. uh, this code is fine, finished success it is showing. Where that code is there, his code has come here now, where in the Jenkins folder it has come, I think so. Workspace and the var, not var, in Jenkins folder only should come, I think so. Workspace. uh, so his project has come now. Okay, sample project in this folder, that console application is there, the test and all are there here. Okay, fine. This is the path of SLN file, remember, this is the path of SLN file. I am keeping it here like this only. Next what, next come to the, again come back to Jenkins. Now again come back to this project here. Okay, this project, go to the configure section, come to the build environment, I think so. Build, add this here only. Yeah, build environment here. Where is the build here? Okay, build, here you select build a Visual Studio project or solution using MS Build. Okay, that plugin has come. What name I have given to that plugin? MS Build I have given. Okay, fine. Which file you want to select and run? I want to select and run this SLN file I want to run, which is whose path is here. That path you give it here in that SLN file. Okay, that's all. After doing any changes, just say save, you say, and then again build the application. So second time I am building. Building that application. So when you install now, it will not, it will take time for, already I have worked on, I have checked this one, then again some errors came, again I uninstall, again some error came. See, some error came. What is the error? What is the error? Console you go, error is what? Error, some error. Jenkins error is what? SLN file. Okay, SLN file I added. Shall I put it in double quotation? Shall I put this one? Path here. Path I have given. Go to the sample project. Configure. Here. Build now. Giving error only, right? So this is here. Error, Microsoft, it might have deleted since, otherwise nuggets restore have. Build a Visual Studio solution, mark build as failure, why it is? Due to maximum path length. Right. Let me go here. Right. Dashboard. Configure here. This one. Source code management. build till SLN file shall I give or path? Okay, I think I have to give till SLN file. Till execute sometimes. Let me check. Okay. Go here. Where is that path? Console application. Console app slash SLN. Console app slash SLN. Console app. Okay. Console app dot SLN. Save. Let's give it a try. Showing error only. Why? Some mistake here anywhere. Configure. Error only I am getting. Just a minute. Wait. I'll check in console. Just click here. And, what is the exact error? Let me check properly. Could not copy the files. It was not found. Not copy the file. See users, this one. It is not there. It is there. See users Windows 10 sample.net. Okay. The mistake, I think so. I have to give same name. I have to give sample project I given here. Instead of giving sample project, I have to give MS build. I have to give. I think so. What he has given in there in that Git repository. I think so. Here MS build project. This one I have to give MS build underscore project. Or if I give this SLN path I will try to give, which I have downloaded. Any application from any application you can take it. This path I will give. Take this project again and go to the configure. Go to the configure. Also, I'll check one video where what he has done. Some mistake is there or anywhere. Path for this file I am giving. This path I am giving. Okay. Save I am doing. Build I am doing. Initially only it is giving red color. Yeah, it is success. Not a red color, not. It is become success now. Okay. So it is no error now. Go to the console output. So it is that path should match. I think so. That path should match. So build a success, no warnings, like that it is telling me. Okay, so like that you can build and run any application, and you can work with the things. I think this is important, I think so. The path, what path I am using, this, even though downloading that ms build project, that mapping should happen, I think so, what is there in the github, or something like that. Okay, so it is like this, the jenkins are used. Okay, next, in this jenkins, nothing is there in that one. See, it is test project is there, the test project is running. Okay, now in this jenkins, I will again come back to this jenkins. If you some other things you want to include, say, so these are the projects are there, na? Now dashboard I am going. So now in this one, go to the manage jenkins. Suppose gitlab I want, so manage plugins I am going. In available I will check, gitlab is there right now. Github I am using, gitlab I want. So gitlab plugin is there. This plugin allows gitlab to trigger jenkins and build gitlab. Okay, but when I tried, this plugin is used up for adoption. We are looking for new maintainers visit our adopt a plugin initiative to. Okay, let it be, he is telling, install without restart. So it is installing. Where it is get installing, man, I am not seeing see, down it is installing. See, this one I want to show, like that, jersey, gitlab it is installing. So I already have installed 2 or 3 times now. Because of that, it was not working. So it installed like this. So now gitlab plugin is there or not, I have to check it again. Okay, manage jenkins, then global configuration tool, git was there already. Gitlab has come or not, that I want to check it. Add git, it is not come. ms build came, gitlab I want, gitlab. So that's what, some promotion, it is under promotion, something it's saying like ms build installation, that is okay. So like this it is there, some things are there. So it is like this. So this much only is there, man. And this one much is you have to write a freestyle project and open a SLN project, you have to run it. Now afterwards what happened, I checked in YouTube the videos on the Jenkins. Suppose you are doing some advanced one, and packages you want to install. Okay, suppose Jenkins. See, this course is there. Not this course, simply run course dot one. This course is there, na, some course. Which one? 2.0 deployment, some course is there. 2.0. Who has given? Who has given this one? Wait one, somewhere. Jenkins 2.0 I will write. 2.0. So here build, deploy and test with Jenkins is there. Okay, in this one he has explained for .NET also, for Java also. Okay, sorry, it, okay. So here he has told in this, as per this one, installing Jenkins, configuring Jenkins, downloading common tools. Here in this one few things are there, right? Creating a freestyle .NET project. Okay, he has kept a Selenium program he has kept. Okay, Selenium programs he has kept. Okay, so as per that, latest things are not there. Means what? Selenium testing packages I need to do plugin and all. It is, right now I am doing GitLab. GitLab it is saying something. It is saying like we are in the adoption road. We can't install GitLab, like that saying. So let it be. So just check these videos. I have tried those things also in this one. I have tried those things also. Which one? These videos also I have tried. These videos. Which one? These videos and these things up to some extent I have tried. Okay. You can also just try with these few videos. Okay, in this one. But testing point of view means he has used Java, this .NET application only. But Selenium testing program he has taken, not that program he has taken. So just check these videos also, and I have checked this up to some extent. I have checked it. Here let me show you. Mm, okay, so then something different things, chocolatey software, the and all, anything so installing and all. You gone in the PowerShell and then install some software. Those and all depth I'm not going. Just to some chocolatey software will be there. Chocolatey. From there also you can install some packages. Sometimes I require nugget packages. So those and all are there. Just check it. But testing point of view is there. Something like that. See, no need that from the Jenkins folder only you have to take it. Okay, I have taken from the extract from the downloaded folder. From here I have taken that extract. Jenkins was not working. So where I have downloaded his code somewhere in the downloads, that I have taken. But some path name I have given it correctly. I have given it, and that SLN file is I am able to run it. Okay. If the test case fail means that it is not deployed properly, like that we can check it. Okay. So like this these things will be there. This much is there only about Jenkins. Okay. Next, right now microservices I'm still working on it. Okay, means what, still nodes is go under doing it. So directly Monday I will take better. Monday I will take here in this one docs still I'm doing something. Still doing means I want to give perfect error with errors I don't want to do, so that you also be able to do that project properly. Okay, this microservices CTS is going on. Yeah, okay, so maybe directly Monday I will take. So Monday I will take this class. So today up to Jenkins and these things are there, and for lab runner another that thing is that much is not required. That up to there what I have told, test build deploy using CI/CD, that much you will learn it. If you want means another one video I will upload it, that one. Okay, today this much is enough. Just remember what and all things you have to do it in the Jenkins. What I have told, what they have told, that only I am just executing. They told in your thing, they told in your project, no, in your this thing, in your application, in your as per the curriculum, that thing only I am just checking it. Okay, that is 45% it constitutes. 45 points it is there for. More is 100 points is for web API. 130 points is for this cloud with this and microservices. Okay. So what I will do tomorrow, I am not taking directly. Let me prepare. No, prepare means what? Let me prepare notes point of view. I want to give it. So directly Monday I will take now. Okay. Right. I'm stop. This command prompt should be running. If it's not running, that will not work. If I close this command prompt and if I go here, if I say Jenkins, it will not work on Jenkins. So I log out. Okay, again I log in. New page, again I log in. HTTP colon localhost 9191. I told it will tell, it will not allow me to log in. Okay, unable to connect. So what you have to do, again you have to go into the run uh, administrator, or then where is that jar file, cd, oh, sorry, cd downloads, the jar file is there. You go and there java hyphen jar. I don't know why they are using the Java tool that is there in your syllabus. That's what I am not understanding. Then what I have to say, Jenkins, na? Jenkins dot var file. Then same command, Java jar Jenkins dot var file. HTTP port, HTTP hyphen HTTP p capital port colon 9191. I want to execute. Again you have to run this command. This will start. Okay, what is training? Something else. Java jar Jenkins HTTP port is equal to sorry, is equal to 9191. Enter. Then you say login. Then only it will work here. Otherwise it will not work. Now you say login. Jenkins page will come if the server is running. Something from the those things you just refer and practice few things. Just you should know what is what about this idea you should have. Okay, please wait, Jenkins is getting ready. Okay, browser will load automatically when the Jenkins is ready. So lot of resources are there, you can check it. Up to basics what and all is there, that I am telling, and this is not that much important that I have to go deep inside. And this one, other things are there for important which are coming in the next part. Hash 123. So I sign in. Okay, Raghu Jenkin, Jenkin. So again, Raghu, I will give you all the video which I am referring, you also refer, and extra videos also you refer. Hash 123, sign in. So I am signing in. This is running. So again I am back here. So with my basic jobs and all. Okay. So this much is about Jenkins, man. Okay. So directly Monday I will take. Okay. Tomorrow let me prepare something. Means I am prepared, but thing is that properly I want to give. Suppose I simply give something. Complete should be there now for the project also for you. Taking that base, you should be able to do without any problem, without asking me. You should be able to do it by yourself for that purpose. Okay. Directly we'll see on Monday now. Okay. I'm stopping it here, guys. If it is really I have to take class, tomorrow again I will ping you in the Telegram if I am taking, if those things are ready, right? Okay, I'm stopping it here. Anything is there? Anything is there, guys? Nothing, no? Okay. I'm stopping it here. How many are listening? 50 now? Okay, no problem.